Have you ever wondered why Ramadan is so special? Why do millions of people around the world eagerly await this month every year? Welcome, my young friends, to another episode on. Today, we're going to delve into the beautiful significance of Ramadan, especially for you, the future torchbearers of our community. Embarking on the journey of Ramadan may seem a little daunting, particularly when it comes to fasting. But always remember, you possess an inner strength greater than you can imagine. Determination, patience, and a positive mindset can enable you to achieve anything you aspire to, including fasting during the holy month of Ramadan. Visualize suhoor, the pre-dawn meal, as a power pack that fuels you for the day ahead, and iftar, the meal after sunset, as a well-deserved reward for your perseverance and self-discipline. Through fasting, you're not just fulfilling a religious duty but also cultivating virtues of discipline and resilience. But Ramadan, my dear friends, is not just about abstaining from food and drink. It's about embracing the spirit of compassion, kindness, and gratitude. As you observe your fast, consider the less fortunate around you. Reflect on how your small actions could make a significant difference in their lives. Every act of kindness, no matter how small, is valuable. Sharing your iftar snacks with a friend, assisting your parents in daily chores, contributing to charity, these are all acts of generosity that embody the true spirit of Ramadan. And remember, the blessings you gain from giving always surpass any sacrifice you make while fasting. Above all, believe in yourself. You hold the potential to achieve remarkable things, and Ramadan provides the perfect platform to demonstrate this. Whenever you feel weary or hungry, recall the inner strength you possess and continue to stride forward. As we anticipate the arrival of Ramadan, embrace this special time with open hearts and minds. This is a golden opportunity to make this Ramadan the most rewarding one yet. Thank you for tuning in, my young friends. Remember to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more motivational content. Until our next meeting, Ramadan Mubarak and stay blessed.